And then he says, "Me may have evil for those to you. Me may have evil me since the days of evil, or more than in the days of evil. Evil is to make it speak evil. All the point that happened, they speak evil." When he says something very disturbing. You know the story took place to me. One woman was not such a savory image to begin with. He had minister's husband on the hospital. And she was raped in Giver. She was raped in Giver. And died because of the rape which was from the faith by the people in him. Giver was a cow in north of the line, known for the young. So the town fathers thanked him of Giver to the out the evil. They didn't do it. The same would be Yeoman should have now punished the evil. It didn't do it. So then the whole cloud it got went up in arms to punish just for the sake of one woman who was herself not such any marvelous person, say the least. But there was something immoral and happening, something that reminded them the whole cloud went against me. So at that time was a terrible war. A terrible war. It says, what you have done, me may have evil but is worse than the days of people. Or it reminds you of the sin of Gibor. Except some or more do. No, they're not except some or more. But the soil remained there. It means they've never developed. In the meantime, Binyamin became a marvelous shaver. Binyamin did the show. Binyamin then developed. Binyamin was say, and then the place where the part of the Mikdash was situated in Binyamin. Binyamin Yehuda stuck together. In Binyamin, the worship at the disposal was very strong, still very strong. So, but you, as lawyer, they have evil for those in his lawyer. You have seen since that the days of evil, and they remain standing. They didn't develop. They didn't do the human. And the war which was fought in Givor against the Bennett Ave, against the evildoers, did not reach them. At that time, they made a war and killed all the evil deeds. And the war did not reach them. They were not touched by it. They're still the same with their outlaw as they used to be. When you say the outlaw and the outlaw, it's just the edible like Givers, Gesef, and Givers, similar as Salma. This is one way of explaining it. Some explain that outlaw comes from arrogance. Holo, outlaw, the sons of arrogance. That either the sons of iniquity or arrogance, they were not reached. That war which was fought against them, and they outlaw, God let her reach them.